We are the LEDucation station.
Welcome, Season 1, Episode 2. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the GFCI receptacle outlets. We're also going to be talking about the whole product and why it's a requirement now for all new construction homes. Let's get to it. Alright, here's the box. Got quite a few here just so you guys get an idea. Now, what you guys get in here, little pamphlet. You have a screw plate that comes with it, but if you're looking for other options, if you're building a new construction home, even a remodel home that requires more of a modern take, we got the screwless wall plates, which is an awesome option. It looks great on the face as well, matches very nicely. I'll talk about why the GFCI receptacle outlet is now used and is a requirement now for all new construction homes. So, in a recent study shown, kids between the ages of 2 and 4, 100% of those kids were able to remove the caps off the receptacle outlets from the ones that were previously used. And that caused a really, really big problem because you're shipping to the mass quantity and there are kids everywhere that can get an electric shock, choking hazard, and it is not an efficient process when you're shipping to the mass quantity. That's why the GFCI receptacle outlet has been made and is a requirement now. As you can see, there are shutters behind the frame here, so no one can fit their finger in or anything like that. And when you want to push in an outlet plug, it's going to be a little bit more force than usual. So that is for any kids between 2 and 4. We don't want to have that study showing that 100% of people could open these caps and cause a problem, and these kids would get hurt in any way. Efficiency and safety are the #1 features of the GFCI receptacle outlet, and that's why we find it so important to tell you guys about it and the importance of why it's used everywhere and why a safe product is definitely better than the ones that were previously used.